Hi guys, it's Paul from ModCon here. This is a quick update on my Dragon Bf110 in 32nd scale. I've added in some additional photos to better highlight some of the detail. So here on the removed control surfaces, the rudders and the elevators were included. And now on the completed model, you can see these have been adjusted to sit at a particular angle, and that included removing the plastic tabs and adding in new ones in order to show that angle of positioning. The same here on the undersides. The new tabs were made from plastic card and fitted and rounded as required. Onto the undercarriage now. The basic piece is here, and once it was fitted into the bay, it looked like this. And after being painted and before being inserted, it received a coat of blackwash to highlight the detail. And again here on the opposite side. And coming up next is the cockpit compartment. This is actually very well detailed in the Dragon kit, I think. And once these items were all brought together, they were added in, and the front console looked really good like this. The handholds at the edges of the windscreen were added in by myself, and both here and in the rear cockpit, these areas are enhanced by the provision of seat belts that come with the kit as PE parts. So the next two sections deal with engines and leading edge slats, and I think the images are self-explanatory, so I'll leave you to view those items and I'll return to you shortly. So the slats were removed before assembly, and the space in the wing was filled with plastic card, and then the items were reattached at a later stage. Next up is the nose gun compartment. Strangely, the nose cap is provided as one piece, and the modeller has to separate it if you want to view the machine guns. This is what I did, and here is the detail. Most of this is straight from the kit, although again I used various thicknesses of fuse wire to indicate the cables. The actual hood needed a little bit of revision in order to get it to sit properly when it's in the closed position, but all in all I was very happy with this section. And here now the two areas of main interest in the model, the exposed right side engine and the cowlings shown together in one image. And now the commencement of the colour scheme. This was an RLM grey-green and dark green colour scheme with mottling on the fuselage sides and along the wing leading edge. I should point out that I made an error in colouring the engine cowlings white. So if you're doing this colour scheme, please do not colour the engine cowlings white. I decided to leave it because I found out after the event. This is the application of blackwash, which admittedly looks quite scary, but it actually washed off very easily, and this is us now heading towards the end stage. The external surfaces were varnished, transfers applied, and then blackwashed before a final coat of varnish. The German style letter J's were made from transfer sheet. The unit emblem had two upward pointing chevrons on the transfer, but these were only applied after the unit went to North Africa. This aircraft is slightly earlier during the Battle of Britain. So that's us guys, we're done with this very short video. The usual video section here at the end, and then that's us. So I'll catch up with you again soon. I hope you enjoyed this updated version of this build, and look after yourselves until the next time. Cheers, bye.